Hello everyone, it's Q again. Today we got a Lexus LS460 LS model, luxury. We installed Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Let's have a look. Right, so let's get started. Lexus LS460 2012 to 2015 model. So we got an Apple CarPlay already installed. So we'll press this button here to switch. Yeah, so that's Apple CarPlay interface. That's only showing the left-hand side half of the screen because the other half is for car computer, onboard computer. So this is the interface. As we can see, we use this factory mode to move around. See here? Yeah, so you can, there's several options here. So you can move to here, factory one, or we can move to here. So, like this, see? Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, right? So let's connect the Apple CarPlay first. So we go Bluetooth. Auto connect. So I have my iPhone here. Go to the Bluetooth. That one. Password is 8362. 8362. Here. It's pretty quick, right? See, it's connected. That's the one. Pretty cool, because I have updated the iOS to 13.1.3 or something. Yeah, so I can use this mouth around. See? That's the main menu. So we can use that one. See? Hey Siri, take me to the office. It's a bit of slow response, right? Take me to the office?
Getting directions to work.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Maybe when I started, it's take a little bit of time to go, you know. Anyway, yeah, let's try use the functions. And then this one. So, yeah, press that one again. This one here. One more time. Yep. So we can go next page. Yep. Maybe using Google Map. You know. Hey Siri, using Google Map, take me to the office.
Getting directions to work using Google Maps.
It's pretty cool, right? Using Google Maps to go to the office. That's cool. Obviously we can use other apps, you know. Spotify, radio, right, like before, you know. We always use radios. What else? See, you can move around like this. See? Too easy. Yeah, so this is Apple CarPlay. Video Apple CarPlay interface, Android Auto. Can use the Android. This is wireless one, so it's pretty easy to use, right? While you're driving, you can using the map, you know, to see where you go. It's high quality and good resolution. Go to the main menu. Look at that. It's pretty cool, right? Just like that. Easy to operate.